Hey everybody, Frank from Schluter here. I'm the Territory Manager for Atlantic Canada. I hope everyone's remaining safe out there. I'm going to take the time today to talk to you guys about a profile that's very versatile. It comes from our family of movement joints. It's called the DILEX-BWA. The way this product is designed, it has a rigid PVC anchoring leg that goes underneath the tile assembly. However, what remains exposed is the soft CPE movement joint that allows for expansion and contraction. It comes in 10 different colors, designed to match most of the trendy grout colors available on the market. The area of applications for this product, typically where we see it used is where you're butting up your floor tile against hardwood floors. Those areas need to be addressed because of the expansion contraction, so the DILEX-BWA in that area would work perfectly. A couple other areas of applications would be where you're butting up your tile against any hard surface. For example, patio doors. Those areas typically don't have any wood moldings to hide the transition between the tile and your patio door. Therefore, the BWA would work great in that situation. Tile backsplashes, where you have an existing countertop in place and you want to address the transition between the two materials. Again, the DILEX-BWA would work great in that situation. Tub surrounds or shower surrounds where you have an acrylic base in place, those areas need to be addressed as well. A lot of times you see people using grout. However, grout doesn't allow for the expansion that is required in industry codes. Silicone works a bit better. However, the problem with those materials is that eventually it needs to replace and require a little bit more maintenance. Compared to a hard profile like the DILEX-BWA, it will last the lifetime of your tile application. Hopefully this was a helpful hint. Again, remain safe, and we'll talk to you guys shortly. Take care.